Simple. You go, use the replay bar, and this is what I do. You go to the weekly and try to kind of like select all the key levels. If you're gonna be swing trading, you have to work with weekly levels and nothing else. I mean, for a successful swing trade, you want to go from one week level to the next week level weekly. So you want to go from here to here or from here to here, whatever. So kind of like make sure that you have the levels marked. And let's say that you wanted to, let's say for example, you wanted to trade this. And you, because this is I remember this one. This one was really nice. Actually, I've made a lot of money with this. I remember last year. Because this was, you see here, the trade that I took this morning, I took them many times during those months, many times on that level. I remember taking that sell many times. Same sell that I took today. Um, then now you have the weekly levels. Try to make things as simple as possible. But when you mark the weekly, one advice I would give you is do not mark the closure of the candle, mark the range of the candle, meaning the wicks, where most of the wicks are gonna meet, which is around actually down here. I don't know if that makes sense. You want to go from here. I guess this is yet another class, right? To here. That's how I do, at least, you know. And then from there, what I usually do is from here to here. Now I know that whatever rejects here, I can buy it all the way up to here. And that's a swing. And that's it. Simple. And whatever breaks from here, I can buy it all the way up to here. Does that make sense? And from weekly to weekly. And so this is what I would do. If I were to, let's say that I want to find that entry. We're down below here. We haven't retested here, so I'm expecting that test. I go to the daily. Now I look at the daily and see if it makes sense, whatever is going on. So what's going on with the daily? Okay, I found that there's a really strong level here on the daily. Now I mark that one too. So now I know about a daily level that we have here, right? And then what I do is I expect price to touch here and reject here. And whatever that is, I try to find it in the 4-hour, 1-hour chart. And preferably, like, you really want to wait for like a strong session, like New York or London. So this is what I would do. I would wait for that retest down there. Oh, you see this? You see this? Wait. It moved too fast. Here. You see this? This touch here and this closure. Perfect entry right there for swing. What is this? New York? Asia? What is this? The heck is that? Oh, that was Asia. Oh, there you go. You see what I said about the 1 hour? That is this. You want at least a 1 hour. Like you want either a 30-minute structure rejecting this or a 1 hour closure, literally like this. This is an engulfing bull candle with a big wick from the level. So you cannot ask for anything better than this. So that one, there's another thing that I do with swing trades. Number one, I leave that alone once I take it. Like, I do not manage the stop loss. I don't manage it until I TP one. So you have to commit to the entry. I said that yesterday. Once you get in, I mean, this is me. I learned that once I get in, I commit to it, because what price can always, many times is gonna do, this time I noticed it didn't do it maybe, but many times price is going to retest again after the confirmation before going up. And actually it's gonna move, may move even a little bit below the previous wick. So I wanna be safe on that. So I leave it alone until we reach here, because I know now that this is gonna be TP1, not so strong, yeah, like right. So TP1, I close half, 50%, and I leave the runners, and then I TP. I move a stop loss to break even once I TP1, and the next weekly level would be this one, right? Now, another thing I look for is if we are if it makes sense to break the weekly level. If I feel or see that it makes sense because maybe we already retouched here, and so it would make sense for this to break on the next move up, then I maybe aim for the second weekly level and stuff like that. But it takes days, okay? Obviously, that's why it is swing trading. So once you take the entry, then you have to hold it. So the way I would actually do this is like this. If it retests below, I'm okay. I don't do anything there. I take profits here, 50%. Move this to TP, and then most likely, if it most of the time retest before going up. By the way, but when it doesn't, then it's a beautiful thing to watch. Let's go to the 4-hour now to move a little bit faster. Okay, so I see a 4-hour. You see it too, right? This is a strong level on the 4-hour. See, rejection, rejection. So there's a high probability that we either reject down from here or up from here to continue going up. That would be a perfect setup. You see, we're coming down. Let's see if we reject that same area. You see here, here, same area from here. Here you can take another entry for the continuation. You TP here from here to here. Again, that you see this structure on the 4-hour closure above, and as you notice, this is London. But you take here if you were awake or whatever, and you TP right there. You TP one and then leave another runner, right? Another again, and then again you continue going out. This might take you out, but now you're on break even, right? Because it visits the level twice. There you go. You see, visits the level. You might even go down to here before going all the way up. I've seen that happen before. But as you notice, you see what I said? This, because here, once I see this, I re-enter here. If it takes my runner out and I see this happening, at the break of this, I take another one. So even though this one took me out and it ended up being just this, then this one is a re-enter. Sometimes you can take it down below if you really know what you're looking for, or at the break of this. And it has to be with a confluence with, this is New York, even perfect. Like this is perfect. And then that's the other one, you see? And that's swing trading, but this one is still open, right? We haven't touched this one. So you let this, so from here, what you can expect is if we tap the weekly level, you can expect a deeper structured visit before continuing going up. So we go to the daily because we have to finish this. You see this? Touch here, deeper, like I said, before continuing going up. You see? Look, deep, deep. So we don't really know, but this is still open, right? Look at that. How many days did it take? This is a bunch of days, right? What is this? The 15th December to all the way to, wow, 2 months. There you go. That's a swing. There's a long time. It's been a long since the last time I took a swing of not even a month. Honestly, I've been doing day trade, I guess, most of the time now.